have discussed about tenses and the different types such as simple past, simple present tense, simple future tense. And in today's video, we are going to discuss another type of tense, which is present indefinite tense. Now, present indefinite tenses are those type of tenses which are used to indicate a certain action which is performed frequently. It can be daily, or there can be habit of some kind of action, or it can occur repeatedly with lot of frequency. So the definition can be that present indefinite tenses are those tenses which indicate the action being performed daily, or it shows the habitual actions or the events taking place repeatedly. So whenever any kind of event or action takes place repeatedly, daily, or it indicates some habitual actions of a person or of any particular animal or whatever, then that is referred to as present indefinite tense. And these type of tenses usually shows they are used with the adverb of frequency. So used with adverb of frequency. And adverb of frequency examples can be daily, usually, seldom, sometimes, occasionally, mostly, rarely, every day. So there are n number of examples of adverb of frequency, and the adverb of frequency that is described over here, we make use of these adverbs while denoting present indefinite tenses. Now examples of such tenses can be I work daily. Now here I work daily. Daily is used to represent my habit, that I am in a habit of doing something daily. So this is my habit, right? Or I can say she usually come early. Now she usually come early means that she is never late, because generally she arrives early. So she usually come early means that again we are denoting about not a particular time, but we say that usually such kind of thing happen. Again we are making use of adverb of frequency. Another example can be Riya never behaves properly. Again, never is an example of present indefinite. I work daily. This is my present indefinite form. She usually come early. Again, a present indefinite form. Another area where present indefinite form can be used is for future actions. we can use present indefinite for future actions. For example, she leaves early for work this Monday. So here I am talking about her leaving on Monday, and that time is yet to come, but still I am making use of present tense. Why? Because leaves over here is a form of present tense. It is the example of simple present tense. So usage of simple present tense in future action is the exceptional case of present indefinite tense. So in this video, we understood the concept of present indefinite tense, and then we implemented these type of tenses in our sentences to understand them better. Then we also discussed that present indefinite tenses make use of the words of adverb of frequency such as daily, usually, seldom, sometimes, occasionally, mostly, almost, etc. And then we also studied about some important extra concepts of present indefinite tenses, like present indefinite tenses can be used in future actions as well. They can also be used for past actions. Future as well as past action. Past action example can be, now Arjun shoots Bhishma. Now this is the scenario which took place in Mahabharata, and Mahabharata is of past. But again I am making use of shoots in the present form. So this is again an exceptional case of present indefinite tense.